A is for
Arctic monkeys, man. The Arctic monkeys.
Oh, nice, man. Cool.
Yeah.
B is for
Bear with me, man. I lost my train of thought.
C is for
Crocs.
D is for
Dead.
E is for
The next porn star. Or whatever as well.
F is for
Wank.
G is for H is for
Huevos rancheros.
I is for J is for
Jamie, don't be a cracker.
K is for L is for
Ladies!
M is for N is for
Nobody told us it was fancy dress.
O is for
Oh my god.
P is for
Penis.
Q. Q is for
Quite successful.
R is for S is for
Stupid, slow, dirty PC.
T is for
Thank you.
Thank you.
U is for
Oh, I know, unbelievable.
V is for
Vikings and pirates.
W is for
We're Arctic Monkeys. If you enjoyed our language lesson, please share it with your wank friends.
X is for Y is for
Here for us, you know, I don't know. Like, it all wrapped up in South America just a couple of months ago, and that, you know, that tour I think was really probably like a highlight for me. It was like the last, you know.
Z is for
I feel like Zeus.